involvement programme is designed to support clinical commissioning groups and the whole NHS to get patients and the public far more involved and have much more of a say in their healthcare. It really is designed to listen to every community. We know some communities are harder to reach than others, and it's designed to support people with the tools, the advice and the support that enables that to make that happen.
It's really important for NHS England to support projects like involvement. We absolutely want to hear what patients and the public are saying about the health services so that we can share that information with others.
We have 3 networks that exist across West Midlands, East Midlands and the East of England, and those networks may grow further across the country as we evolve. We have 2 web portals, one designed for professionals, one designed for patients to enable much greater interaction with health services. And then we have one team of navigators who are designed there to help people find their way through that information and that system. They're not there to be the experts, but they are there to help the experts deliver really great engagement on the ground.
I think the team of navigators are a really essential sort of resource to this project. I think their expertise and their knowledge, not only of involvement and engagement, but also of the involvement project itself, is going to be vital.
I have 2 children with autoimmune conditions. I found it a struggle finding particular groups or voluntary organisations that were available to support myself and my family. My journey has led me to look in many different websites, telephoning many different organisations in many different areas. The time, the money, the cost in doing that has added to my stress as a parent carer. To have one resource in one place, but not just an interface, not just a website, but to have that human face is incredible.
One of the great things about involvement and other projects like it is that they don't just try and access people individually, although that's important, but they're also working with voluntary and community groups, which is where people go when they're in their local areas to get engaged with issues that matter locally. So tapping into existing networks is a really important thing to do.
I think the involvement project is really exciting, and I personally am very excited about it because I think it will help link me up with like-minded colleagues around the region so I can get and share ideas from them and have a sounding board to discuss with them about things that we want to do in Shropshire and see whether anyone's already done that. I also think it's going to be really beneficial for the patients and public that they'll be able to get a lot of information, a lot of resources off there, which they might not normally have had access to.
The involvement programme I feel will benefit not only me as a parent carer, but the public and patients in general. Having a resource that is easily accessible, that can be navigated to locate information, advice, that can be used as a forum to interact with other users.
We all use health services, we all care about the NHS, so it's in our own interest to get involved and help shape the NHS to what we want it to be. And what involvement does is gives people information they can use locally to get involved with their local health services.
The involvement programme success is all about your involvement. We need to shape this to make sure that patients and the public get their chance to have a say and be involved in their own healthcare. And the success of the programme is all about you contributing, so we really want you to be involved. So we do encourage professionals to register online, share their work, rate other people's work, rate their own work. And then from a public point of view, it's really a great opportunity for the public to register their interest, say they'd like to be involved, but also look up events they'd like to participate in. And so really it's about you shaping this involvement programme. So your success is our success.